Hi everyone, my name is Dima, welcome to my channel. I'm from Belarus and my native language is Russian and Belarus. Therefore, I'm native Russian and Belarusian speaker. If you learn Russian language, this video will be very useful for you and extremely important for you, because in this video I will learn you how you need to pronounce the day of the week in Russian correctly. Let's not waste time, let's go. Понедельник, понедельник, понедельник. By the way, people from Russia and Belarus say about this day like понедельник день тяжелый. Понедельник день тяжелый. This phrase translates into English like Monday is a difficult day. Go next. Вторник, вторник, вторник. We see that this word, this day, written with the letter V, but we don't pronounce like вторник, вторник. We pronounce this sound like вторник, вторник. And when we more fast pronounce this word, we get like вторник, 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 not вторник, вторник. It isn't correctly. Вторник, вторник, вторник. Okay? Go next. Среда, среда, среда. Sometimes we can hear from people from Russia or Belarus and from native Russian speaker that this word they pronounce like среда, среда. And but it's the same situation. Среда or среда, the similar words, and the meaning of this word won't change. Среда or среда, the same situation, the same word. Среда, среда. Okay, go next. Четверг, четверг, четверг. It's understandable. Пятница, пятница, пятница. Go next. Суббота, суббота, суббота. We see that this word written with the two letters B, but we just pronounce like one letter B. Суббота, суббота, суббота. And last day, воскресенье, воскресенье, воскресенье. We see that this word pronounced with the letter O, yes? But we pronounce this word with the letter A. I mean, we don't pronounce like воскресенье, воскресенье, because with the letter O. We pronounce like воскресенье, воскресенье, not воскресенье, 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 okay? One more time. Воскресенье, воскресенье. Okay, I suggest you to repeat all these words. Понедельник, понедельник, вторник, вторник, среда, 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 четверг, четверг, пятница, пятница, суббота, суббота, воскресенье, воскресенье. By the way, if you wanna know how to count in Russian correctly, I mean figure from 0 to 100, please watch this video. If you learn Russian language, this video will be very useful and important for you. If I deserved, please subscribe to my channel, put like, write your comment, write your questions for me in the comment under this video if you have questions for me. I promise I will answer all your questions because I want to help you in learning Russian language. Therefore, bye bye.